So could you tell us more about how students can get involved with the electromagnetics research here at Tech?
Absolutely. So the EMAG TIG is a really diverse group that's working on everything from wireless sensing to satellite communications to energy harvesting. It seems very niche, but it's actually very, very broad. The best way to get involved is to go hunt down the grad students in the lab. Usually we're always doing small research projects, and I work for Greg Durgan, and we always have a cycle of undergrads coming in and trying things out with us. I know that most of the professors in our TIG do similar stuff. So the best thing to do is look up the TIG on the website, see which professors are working in areas that might be interesting to you, and try to talk with either the professor. Usually they're pretty busy, so hunt down some of their grad students, but we're usually there to answer questions if you need it. And I'll also put in a small endorsement for the ORS program. It's a undergrad research program, and we have a number of teams that are, it's a great program. The students are paid for their research and their time, and they're working directly with grad students on next-gen solutions and things like that. It's a very easy doorway into what we're doing in the EMAG TIG.
Do students who want to get involved have to have any classes taken or any prior knowledge before getting involved in research in your area?
Okay, this is my personal opinion, so hopefully I don't get in any trouble for this. I would always have prefer students that are more interested in the material than well-read in the material. You will learn. It's easy to learn once you get going into build intuition, and I'm learning every day. This is my 10th year of college or something, and I would say that my boss is learning every day, and so that doesn't change whether you're a first-year student as an undergrad or someone seasoned in your field. But if you're not excited about the work, then I wouldn't recommend taking that route for you or for the people you would work with. So if this seems like something that's cool to you, I would certainly not let coursework seem like a gatekeeping thing. That being said, if you want to take the classes, the EMAG courses are awesome, the RF engineering courses are awesome, and I'm sure that there's a battery-less technology class for undergrads, there's an antennas class for undergrads. All of those are really, really awesome options. Usually you take those further into your undergrad career, but there's nothing that says you can't start on day one, especially if you're interested in the material.
Sure. And then lastly, are there any cool projects or research currently going on in the electromagnetics TIG?
Countless. Yeah, that's an impossible thing. So just some of the stuff that we have here, this is not my group, but Manos Tenseris and the Athena group, they're working on everything from, this is a origami antenna array, reflect array. So they're doing stuff from like cool inkjet printed, 3D printed stuff. I work in a field where I'm looking how to communicate between two places using previously transmitted waves, so it's like cosmic hitchhiking. If a FM radio is sending a song past me, can I put a hello world message on it and it ends up down the line to someone else and they can get it off it? There are people working on localization, so if someone's really far away, how close can we tell where they're at and stuff like that for like firefighters and burning buildings and tracking people like that. I know people in medical field doing similar stuff. Where are the hospital beds in a hospital and keeping that stuff in line. So the applications are huge, numerous, and for every grad student you find in our TIG, they're going to have some slightly different thing that says, yes, what I'm working on is really, really cool. So there's no shortage of awesome work happening with this group of professors and their students.
Well, thank you for talking with us. I'm sure students are going to have great opportunities here.
Wonderful. Well, thanks so much for chatting, and best of luck to all y'all.
Thank you.